In the question above, we are to determine the values of p and x written in the equation. So the first thing to do here is to rewrite the equation as it is in the question. After writing out the equation as it is in the question, we'll have to rewrite again, and we'll be replacing the unknown, that is p and x, with dash. So let's start to balance the equation. We have copper, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Let's begin with copper. We have 3 atoms of copper present in the reactant side, and in the product side we have 3 as well, so copper is balanced. So from copper, let's move to hydrogen. In the reactant side, we do not know the exact amount of hydrogen present because we're having an unknown here. So in the product side, let's calculate the numbers of hydrogen atoms that are present. So here we have 4 multiplied by 2. The 4 as a coefficient will be affecting every element present in the compound, so that makes hydrogen to have 8 atoms. Since we have 8 in the product side, so in the reactant side we'll be having 8 as well. So we'll be adding 8 as a coefficient here. Now this coefficient 8 will affect every element present in this compound. So for nitrogen, that makes the number of atoms of nitrogen to be 8 as well. So let's check in the reactant side the numbers we have. We have 3 multiplied by 2, that's 6. We have 6. Here we do not know the exact number of nitrogen present in nitrogen 2 oxide. So since we already have 6 out of 8, then we have 2 left. So we'll be adding 2 here as a coefficient. Why? We have a subscript of 1 here. So 2 times 1, that is 2. So nitrogen is balanced. For oxygen, 8 multiplied by 3, that's 24. In the reactant side, 24 atoms. So in the product side, we have 3 times 2, that's 6, multiplied by 3, that makes it 18. Out of 24, we need 6 more. In water, we have 4, that makes it 2 left. We have 2 left. So in nitrogen 2 oxide here we have 2, that makes we now have exact number of oxygen on both sides, that is 2 plus 4, 6 plus 18, that's 24, and here 8 times 3, 24, so 24 atoms on both sides. So this makes the equation to be balanced. Hence we can say that the values of p and x respectively are 8 and 2. So this will be the end to the solution of the question. Do like to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.